Hi everyone, I'm here to do Heggerty exercises with you. We're going to start by blending onset and rhyme. This week, and probably for the next couple weeks, we're going to be working on some new blends, some new consonant blends that are consonant R blends. So like BR says br, CR says cr, FR, fr, GR, gr, and a couple others. So when you're listening to blending today and you're practicing with me, we're going to say gr, ab, because we're doing onset and rhyme, two chops, grab. Okay, here we go. Pr, s, press, dr, aft, draft, cr, ib, crib, br, ed, bread, br, ag, brag, fr, og, frog, dr, op, drop, tr, uck, truck. Good. All right. I'm going to say 3 words and I want you to say them after me. So you'll repeat them and you're going to listen really carefully for the sound that comes at the end of the word. So for example, the first set of words would be slice plus horse. You say it. Slice plus horse. What sound do you hear at the end of those words? That's right. Good job. Okay, let's do another set. Flake, stack, broke. You say it. What sound do you hear? Good. Groan, run, brain. What sound do you hear? Rub, globe, tribe. What sound do you hear? B comes at the end. Good. Is, was, fuzz. What sound do you hear at the end of those? Zzz. Good job. Slight, not, flute. Ending sound is t. Drag, mug, frog. Ending sound is g. Slid, told, stayed. D. Ending sound. Good job. Last set. Glove, stove, wave. Ending sound is v. Good job. Okay. Now we're going to segment onset and rhyme. So I'm going to say a word, you're going to repeat it, and then we're going to chop it into the onset, that's the beginning consonant blend sound, and the rhyme. Here we go. Drip, drip. Good. Crash, ash. From, drift, drift. Branch, branch. Crept, crept. Drum, drum. Brunch, unch. Trap, app. Good job. All right. So for our next exercise, we're going to substitute phonemes. So get your fists ready. We are going to replace the beginning sound. Make sure I'm doing this right. Hang on. I made a note for myself and it made no sense, so I was just making sure I'm doing it correctly. Okay, so I'll say the word, you repeat the word, then we're going to change the beginning blend sound to make a new word, just like we always do. I'm not sure why I wrote a note for myself. The word is drum. Change dr to cr. Crumb. The word is brag. Change br to dr. Drag. The word is trip. Change tr to gr. Grip. The word is crop. Change cr to dr. Drop. Good. The word is brush. Change br to cr. Crush. The word is drill. Change dr to fr. Frill. Good job. All right. Okay, we're going to start with the ending part of the word, the rhyme, and we're going to add a beginning consonant blend, put them together to make a new word. There's a couple in here where the ending part already starts with a r sound, so on those we'll just add a consonant sound. Here we go. The word is end. Add fr to the beginning. Friend. The word is red. Add b to the beginning. Bread. Good. The word is ill. Add dr to the beginning. Drill. The word is wrap. Add t to the beginning. Trap. The word is and. Add r to the beginning. Grand. Good job. All right, last exercise. We're going to remove the beginning consonant or consonant blend sound from the word and see what we're left with. The word is track. Without t, the word is rack. The word is drum. Without dr, the word is The word is crush. Without k, the word is rush. The word is crash. Without k, the word is rash. The word is brand. Without br, the word is and. All right, good job today. Don't forget to practice your new poem.